guys, welcome back to my channel. As you might be able to tell, today I'm in a bit of a different location. I am at Emily's place. We have just filmed a video over on Emily's channel, which was the 10-minute, £15 Primark makeup challenge.
It was a lot.
It was a lot. It was interesting.
Soph's look was very interesting.
It was certainly a look.
It was purple.
Yep. So if you guys want to go and see that, then I will link her channel down below. Head over there and subscribe and check out the video. Let us know what you think. But today on my channel, we are doing a, what are we doing? 10-minute
Halloween makeup.
Makeup challenge.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
And we both have the same kit from Primark, which is this like £5 skull little Halloween set thing, and we thought we would both try and use this and a couple of other Primark makeup products to try and do our makeup for Halloween in 10 minutes. So
yeah, and we're gonna try and create the same look. So we'll see how it goes.
It's gonna be interesting.
It's gonna be very interesting.
Let's go. Okay, right, we've just come to the makeup section. These are like the Halloween makeup kits. I feel like maybe we should get some of these and try and do some sort of like 10-minute makeup challenge. Okay, right, this one is a skull. Right, what's this? That is, I think that's literally just some face paint. Then they've got like glitter, they've got these pens. Guys, look, they have all of Saffron's little, I guess this is her meetup area, but yeah, her range is literally launched today. There's a gorgeous picture of her up here. Congrats, Saffron, how exciting is this? Okay guys, we've just been to Primark. Yeah, we've got our stuff. We're just gonna head back now and film the videos. So I will see you in about 2 seconds. There is no way we're gonna be able to do that with this.
I mean, I feel like it's not gonna happen, is it?
It's so
Look at the brush!
Wait, are we literally just using this brush to try and do it?
I mean, we should probably use other brushes, shouldn't we? Otherwise it's not gonna work. I don't want to ruin my brushes. That's a very good point. Maybe we should just use that brush, because like, I can't do that with this. Like, should we just use the brushes that comes with it?
Maybe we should.
Well, there's a sponge for the white.
True. Okay, I feel like that would probably make it more interesting if we just use the brushes. Which is
I think my phone's about to die. Oh no, it's fine. We got 6%. We can make it work.
Oh no.
There's plenty. I'm gonna do 10 minutes this time, not 10 hours. Don't worry. Do you want to use this white?
Is it just powder?
No, it's like cream.
Ooh.
So, and there's also a stick with white on.
Okay.
So I guess one of us can have each, whichever one you want.
I really don't mind, you pick.
Okay, do you want that one then? I'll just use the stick.
Sure. Oh wait, have you got a mirror?
No. I'm ready to go, so. I say this, then halfway through I'll realise half it's still wrapped up.
Okay, right. Gems. And then, oh, it says blue best applied with a touch of water.
Oh
I guess
gosh.
we're doing it dry. Okay, wait, what's that? Liquid. It was lip gloss.
Oh my goodness. Right, ready, go. Okay, right, I'm using this stick thing. And then, oh my goodness, this isn't gonna blend.
I'm using the white foundation and this sponge.
Oh my goodness.
Oh
this is so,
my
okay, well
God.
there's black around the eyes and the nose, so I don't really need to put white on the nose.
I just dipped it into my powder.
Oh, was that just like habit?
Yeah, it's because I was using it as the mirror. I just like didn't look down. Oh my god.
When you're so focused that it just doesn't work.
Wow, this is some really nice foundation.
Yeah, this actually feels so gross.
To be fair, like this is almost my colour.
Oh, no, that's bad.
I could probably use this to like highlight my under eyes and it would probably look pretty good.
Maybe you found a new cult product.
Maybe I have.
It's your new favourite makeup product. Oh my goodness, I've lost my sponge. Okay.
Do I want to cover my lips? I guess so. Ew,
I don't. They've got like black lips though. But then do we do the black over the white, or do you just do black over like on the black?
That is a very good point. To be honest, I feel like this whole video is just going to be me applying this foundation and then the timer's going to go off.
Oh yeah. Gosh, we can't even see the timer either.
Finished.
What are we on? Oh my goodness, we've got 8 minutes, 45 seconds left.
Okay, right, that would do. Look.
You did that so quick.
Great. I mean, it's not really that well applied, but
mine neither.
It'll do.
Okay, now going in with the black. And on the picture, they have black like all around their eyes.
Yep.
So.
Oh, it's cream. I thought it was going to be like powder. Okay.
Is that throwing you a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh,
just a bit.
This feels a bit gross. Oh no, I've just touched my eyebrows with it, and they have really nice eyebrows on the picture. Definitely not going to be following that trend.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to cover my eyebrows.
I feel like
they don't exist.
That's the easiest way to do it. Wow. This is like Halloween look you do when Halloween's on a school night and you've come home from school, you're ready to go trick-or-treating, you don't want to miss anything, so quick, shove it on.
Oh my god, you're so right.
Now lips. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
I'm like shaking from coffee as well.
Yeah.
How have you done that so quick?
Oh, it's because you have the
Yeah,
stick.
do you want me to finish the stick?
Oh
and
no,
you
no,
can
no,
use
it's
the
fine.
stick?
I'll just try and colour this in.
Okay, I'm kind of just drawing. I'm not very arty. You're arty.
Yeah, but not in 10 minutes.
Yeah, but I feel like this says a lot about us because you've just gone in with the outline and I'm kind of just going for it.
That's the way to do it though, you've just got to be bold.
Be bold and brave.
Oh, this is actually really painful.
Does it hurt? It's on my tooth! Oh my god.
It's a really sharp little brush.
Well,
I did it in my eye.
I feel like it's going very well. They haven't actually shown us the top of the person, so I don't know what the person looks like at the top. But they have blue, so I'm gonna go with blue on the forehead. Now they say use the blue with water, but we don't actually have any water, and we only have 7 minutes.
Okay, well that's great.
I'm gonna kind of just blend with my finger.
Just a screaming baby in the back.
Oh my goodness! We just scared a kid.
Yeah, they probably saw us in the window and were like, ah, look at you look so good.
I feel like it does look alright so far. And then the blue's going on here. Like, this is one of them things that if you didn't look up close, it might look okay.
Yeah.
And then it's when you get closer, you're like, oh, she doesn't know what she's doing.
From a distance, it's great though.
You're being so precise, I've got it all over my fingers.
James Charles, watch out.
Here we come.
I need to use my good.
Ow, I just got it in my This is dangerous.
Oh,
we have 6 minutes left.
In my eyeball. Okay, that's great. Okay, right.
Okay, this isn't actually going. Oh, it stings.
It
Don't
stings.
get it in your eye.
I don't want to get it in my eye. I already did.
I'm gonna put some blue on my lips, just, you know, keep it fresh.
Fun and fresh.
Add a bit of dimension, bit of depth.
What am I doing to myself right now?
Okay, I'm gonna go and outline the black around my eyes with this black, just
Can't
because I feel
believe
like it needs to be a bit more
You're doing
precise.
so well.
I mean, I had the stick though.
True.
Do you want the stick? I'm done with it.
No, it's alright.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm wasting my time helping you, because this is a
Yeah.
competition. So, sorry, Soph, I'm going back to helping myself.
Give it a go. I mean, one side is way bigger than the other. Let's just do some
I don't know what's going on with my nose. I kind of just went for it. And now I'm realising that it just doesn't look
I
very
don't know
good.
where I put the blue. I just realised there's blue on the eyes and I haven't done blue on my eyes.
I put blue over the black. I just ruined this kit. Oh my goodness.
Well, were you planning to use it again?
Yeah, for my Halloween look.
What did you put the blue on with? Actually, no, you
My
can't.
finger.
It's just not working.
Oh, it's not? Oh, lost a gem. Nearly lost another one. Well, it sounded like a hiccup, didn't it? It was actually just me being scared of losing another gem.
I don't actually know what I've just done to my forehead. I'm just gonna colour the whole thing in, why not?
Okay, oh my goodness, they've got so many gems everywhere.
How do they stick on? Do they
They feel like they're gonna
sticky?
fall if I talk. Okay. Oh, it's gone again. We're 3.5 minutes. Oh my goodness, my hands are so slippy. Okay, what's the picture look like?
Not like this.
No, not at all. The gems take ages, oh my goodness.
Oh, don't tell me that, I haven't even started yet.
How long
Oh
have we got?
dear, okay.
3 minutes.
Right, I'm putting that down. Gems, they need to get on my face right now.
Okay. Oh my goodness, they've got gems all over the lips?
Yes.
Oh, like teeth!
They actually have them everywhere.
I like that.
Oh, okay, one of them is
They've
on
got-
the floor. Great.
Oh my god, they're not going to stick on my lips. I can't talk. I'm so sorry, this is the end of me. You're not hearing any more from Emily. Oh gosh, it's going to come off. Oh gosh. Sorry, I do normally talk a lot more than this.
Oh, they really don't feel like they're gonna stick.
No, not on the lips.
Not anywhere, really. I feel like
No wonder the girl in the picture's got her head tilted up like
Yeah,
that.
she's
So
like
gems
painted all the
don't
gems
fall
on her
off.
face. I've like smudged it all over my face with my... I want to get some on my forehead.
Yeah.
There's a nice big one. Oh, okay, another one's fallen. We've lost a friend.
Okay, I'm going to just have 2 big, you know, front teeth. Oh, one's gone. We lost a gem.
They're all just falling off. Oh no, okay, right, I've lost about 3 of them.
Dean. Can't talk anymore. It's too stressful.
Turn Australian. Okay, right, there we go.
Okay. Oh wow. That goes there. Oh, I've lost half the gems that you're supposed to use on your forehead, so that's not gonna happen.
Great. Okay,
Ooh.
right, I don't have any teeth yet.
Blue gems.
Wait, which one? Oh, okay, those ones go on your teeth. I've lost so many teeth.
Oh, there's another gem that's fallen. Wow. Oh, I lost another tooth. Got a gap now. It's alright. I'll get braces.
Invisalign.
Invisalign.
This is so much more difficult than it actually looks.
It really is.
In the picture, it looks like it's gonna be pretty easy.
It's the gems.
They just don't stick.
Maybe I'm supposed to use eyelash glue or something.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I just dropped a gem in the white and now I'm gonna have to put that on. Oh my gosh. This looks disgusting. Oh, I lost another gem.
I can't stick them on, they're getting stuck under my nails.
I'm kind of gonna have to give up now because I can't move. I think I'm done.
I am not done.
We have 21 seconds. Oh, wow.
I mean, yeah, they look great.
4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
This is a look.
Do you want to wipe?
To do what?
Wipe your hands, not your face. Oh, the teacher's
Put it on your legs.
I've got it everywhere. My legs look bruised now. Oh my goodness.
This was really interesting.
This is a terrible idea.
This was such a bad idea, but I mean, what do you guys think? Let us know. Who do you think wins?
Yeah, let us know.
I think, why do my eyes look such different sizes?
I feel like for £5 though, the kit's pretty good.
Yeah, for a £5, it's not bad. I mean, you could do like a full Halloween look like this, because like, I don't know, you've got the white, you've got the black, you've got the blue. As long as you had some setting powder, I think you would be okay.
Oh.
You just got like a gap.
I know.
One of them's got like a bit of plastic, just like.
Oh, stop picking it out. I thought I did okay.
I think you actually did really well. Yours looks better than mine.
I think it's because I had the stick.
Yeah, that's very true.
I did offer her the stick.
But I didn't. I was like, no, I'm gonna continue.
I did offer, so I didn't cheat.
I think if you actually had like 20 minutes to sit down and do this, you could probably make a much better job of it.
It's definitely like a quick one though. Like when I did a makeup, like a Halloween look the other night, and I spent like 2 hours on it. But you could so do this in like 20 minutes and it would look good.
Yeah, for sure. That was us. Like I said, we filmed a video over on Emily's channel. Go check that out as well. It will be linked down below. And that is it from us. I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye.